What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. Today we have on the list one of the last things we're actually going to be doing to the GTR. I gotta let the garage warm up just a little bit because it is a nice 55 degrees outside right now. We have the GTR still on the stands. I think what I'm going to probably start to do is first things first, these side skirt extensions, I love them to death. I think they're out just a little bit too much. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. If you look at the body line, it sticks out just a little bit. And I measured. I have similar like side skirt extensions on the Evo outside, and they probably stick out about 2 inches or so. And up at the front of these, it's probably like, I don't know, 2.5 inches. And in the rear, it's like 3 inches, like sticking out. So I think I want to try to move everything in. I don't know if I'm going to really do anything with the rears. I kind of like those the way that they are. But the side skirts, I don't know. I put the wheels on last night just to kind of test fit them, like me and my little lady. And it didn't look too terrible. So I was like actually kind of surprised at how good they actually look. But I think what I might just do is move them in just a little bit. Yeah, because I think they're sticking out just a little too much. But yeah, I tried putting some of these wheels on just to see how they were gonna look with the tires and stuff like that. And it, like I said before, it didn't look bad at all. So yeah, I'm gonna do that off camera, and then we can get on to the big business of getting the Mines downpipe on, because that is the goal for today. So let's get to it. All right, guys. So it's a lot better. It's not sticking out as much, and it follows the body lines a little bit better. So I'm actually really happy. I went in like 1/4 inch. I haven't touched the rears at all, just because it's hard enough to actually get these on and off. I mean, a couple screws, but like I think it flows with the body a lot better than the side skirt extensions, so that's why I moved them in. So now it's time to get on to the meat and potatoes. I'm gonna start the car, let it warm up a little bit, and we're gonna see how this thing sounds before we actually put the exhaust on. So bear with me. So we're gonna start to take this bad boy apart, and yeah, let's get the Mines front pipe on. It's supposed to be equal length, so it's supposed to change the tone of the exhaust. So I'm super happy. So let's get right into it. All right, not like it's gonna be anything super duper crazy to watch, but it's gonna be a couple bolts. Let me move some of this stuff out of the way. All right, 2 bolts up there, 2 bolts right here, which hopefully they're not super rusted to death, and 2 bolts right here, which I have taken this off before, so it shouldn't be too terrible. Looks like I do need to put a new gasket here, so that looks like it's leaking a little bit. But yeah, it doesn't look like it's too terrible. I'm gonna get all this stuff out, and yeah, we'll put the we'll do a side-by-side comparison of what we got going on here, and then we'll go from there. All right, let's go. Okay, we got it out. The design difference is so crazy. Look at how much different that is. Like this one is just, this one is just, it's, oh my gosh, it is such a work of art, man. I tell you what, now I know why this thing takes like 6 weeks to make. Like it is just God only. It's gorgeous. It's just beautiful. So now that I have this bad boy out, all I got to do is just clean up the mating surfaces, because there's still gasket material on the old stuff up there, like the turbo, like the O2 housings or whatever. So I need to clean all that up. I need to get the catalytic converter. I got to get 2 new gaskets for that. And I think we should be straight to actually throw this bad boy in. I'm going to like anti-seize all of the bolts, because look at this here, which I'm pretty sure this one actually has it too. But it's way up here. Look at that. It's way up there. What am I going to do with that? So this is actually a better design of where to put the O2 sensor, which is more than likely going to be my wideband O2 sensor whenever I do get a wideband, and should be straight. So I'm going to put anti-seize there, and all the bolts up on the O2 housing, and all the bolts that are here. But yeah, I think that's really it. Hopefully they gave me new bolts. If not, like I'll see if I can't find new bolts for the catalytic converter down. My O2 housing bolts, I'll just reuse those with all new gaskets, obviously. But yeah, let's get into getting this bad boy back in. Finish up this project for today. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, the meme is real here. Look at this. Look at how much anti-seize I got on my hands here. Thank God I wear gloves. But I will say this, man, what a beautiful piece this is, man. Like it sits so nice in this engine bay, and well, underneath the car. And yeah, it's one rigid piece, I'll tell you that. And it looks so good, so good. Cannot wait to start this thing up to see what it sounds like. But now we still got to do the cat. I have to put 2 new gaskets on. And I think we should be straight with this install. And then we could actually listen to it and see what it sounds like. So let's keep going. My goodness, what? Oh man, does it feel good to have this project done? Look at it. New gaskets here, anti-seize everywhere. Thank God I was wearing you know, gloves. But yeah, tighten up everything. I put anti-seize here, so when I get a you know, wideband, I can just throw that in there. Everything is good. Everything looks good. Man, oh man. My only thing is that, man, oh man, this thing sits. Whew. This thing sits kind of low, but you know what? I'm willing to risk it. If you guys have seen my Evo 10, I get people all the time that say, hey man, you got something, you know, like hanging down in the back. And in all actuality, it's just my exhaust that hangs down really low like that. So this is gonna be no different, except for this is gonna be a little lower, but hopefully it doesn't go crazy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let it down, and we're gonna listen for the first time and see what it sounds like. Let's go. All right, people. So I just let it down, and Let's listen to this baby purr, huh? I will say this, right off the rip, it sounds different. It sounds way different. Oh, I like it already. Let's give it a couple revs. Crazy about this is that you guys in the video might not even realize like how much of a difference it sounds, but to me it sounds way different. So I can't wait to get this thing out on the road and actually listen to it. So we got to get this thing under some load to actually listen to how it really sounds. But all in all, this project is just about done. I got a couple more little things to do, and yeah, we should be really good. So that's where we're gonna leave this episode off at. Man, oh man, I can't look at this. Oh man, it looks so good. Everything looks so solid. Like it looks like a good complete package. So I'm very happy with the way it sounds. Oh god. All right, this is where we're gonna leave this off at. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. I will definitely get you some real exhaust clips. And yeah, see you on the next one, all right? Deuces.